Today we are making very delicious macaroni without cheese and with cheese. This is a really tasty recipe that you should try at home. Before we start this tasty recipe, please subscribe to our channel Cooking and Style. First, we are going to make macaroni without cheese. For this macaroni recipe, we will be using macaroni 300 grams and chicken 200 grams. Ginger garlic paste 4 tablespoons. 2 chopped carrots, chopped capsicum, chopped pepper and also sweet corn. 1 chopped onion. Tomato sauce half cup. And also oil 6 tablespoons. Now let's boil the macaroni. First we are adding 1 teaspoon of salt into water. Then add 1 teaspoon of oil into the water. After adding the oil, let the water boil for some time. Now add the macaroni into the boiling water. Make sure to boil it and cook it until it is cooked and tender. To check if the macaroni is cooked, break it and check if it is soft and tender. After the macaroni is boiled, strain it with cold water and keep it aside. Now let's do the next step. Add 2 tablespoons of oil into a pan. After this, add the chopped onion. Make sure to cook it properly for some time. Now add ginger garlic paste. Cook it for 4 or 5 minutes and then add the water. We added water to make it softer. Now cook it for 6 or 7 minutes until it is golden brown. After this, add the chicken. Mix it together well and cook it. Cook it until the color of the chicken has changed. Now add these spices. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, and coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Make sure to mix the spices inside properly. Now cook the chicken until it is tender. Alhamdulillah, the chicken is now cooked. Now add the chopped vegetables inside. Mix it properly and then add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Vinegar 1 tablespoon. Once the vegetables have cooked, add tomato sauce. Make sure to mix it properly. Now we are going to put the chicken into the bigger pan. Now add the boiled macaroni inside. Make sure to mix it very properly. After mixing the macaroni properly, put the lid on and then cook it for 2 minutes. Alhamdulillah, the macaroni without cheese is now finished. This is a very tasty recipe. It is very healthy and delicious, and everyone in your family will love it. Now let's make the pasta with cheese. Sprinkle cheese on top of the macaroni. Eating the macaroni with cheese tastes very delicious. And then on top of the cheese, sprinkle some oregano. Now bake it in the oven for 6 or 7 minutes until the cheese melts. Alhamdulillah, the macaroni and cheese is now finished. This is a very, very tasty recipe that you should definitely try. If you have not subscribed to our channel Cooking in Style, please subscribe. Press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to comment down below your opinions on this recipe. You can also find the ingredients to the recipe in the description box down below. Also make sure to watch our other tasty recipes. Allah Hafiz, thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed.